Yeah. Only one boss in the building. Only one name on the throne. Done deal ZOW. ML Records King. Let's go! Only one done deal, ZOW running the show. ML Records on fire everywhere that we go. South Africa stand up, yeah, we carry the glow. If the deal ain't stamped by him, then the answer is no. Only one done deal, that's a name they respect. He the boss, he the vision, he the one they select.
Hey, let's talk about it. Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Yeah. Yo. Yeah, I'm back with it. No Manatini. I'm still with it. My lyrics are like ammunition. Never run out, cause I make some more. If I run out, keep on talking and I will expose you. You think you're the one, you're so special. But now we treat you like an ashtray. Everybody wanna ash there, yeah, cigarettes. Yeah, I'm talking to those dumb hoes who ain't got no brain to think with. Cause it's always empty. Like the shell case after squeezing. They didn't understand that, dog. I know, cause very ninja, okay, back with it. I said, Klebi, that was a little freestyle I was thinking right now. Back to the shit. Khona lezi niyazazi nani bafethu lezi zala 800 nje ukuzohlala ematshwaleni yabo mase zithi deke mase ibiza wena maze kucafa sibani what yathola yo ziyaking yafana sometimes ziyaking zona nje ifuna ukutshelwa zingalokhu kuyalena le ngoba phela zona yize ithanda ukuhleba mina ngihlebi-ke mina akunama motors okudlala ngihlezi ngihlala nje eqinisweni mase kuba nawo-ke lama-simpman gina lawo majita lawo ahlezi alwela labo phela ngokuthi ancengile but mina angicengi mina I don't give a shit about some useless dumbass trash tramp. You can say any word that you want to say that can rhyme with that shit cause banjalo abanqondo most of them I know they bashang a yeast infection because you can smell that shit from a mile away. Even if she trying to talk, walk, that shit smell like a sewage, stomach. Yeah, ngiyabazibona. Yeah, ngisho amagama cause ngiyabazibona. Ngiphiso off nje oyedwa yaphapha. Iplay yakhe vele. I wonder where is it? Cause uhlezi sima jolene. Where is it? Who taking care of that one? Yeah, ungakhuluma but you will never be on my level noma kufuzama kanjani. But ungazama cause vele uyadayisa. Ngiyakwazi ngikwazi ngisho Friday ubhayisa khona. Vezele indaba zakho phela. Sinamavideo akho wena bekuhlephula ungazijwayele lapha. Asijwayele nje lapha. Cause uzowakhipha kuma impela qhubeka ningiphaphele nje nina abantu and ngizowakhipha. I got files, video clips, yeah, exposing that shit like 50 Cent. Everything you say, bitch, don't make a sense. Even a sentence. Only you was with fuck out of here with that dumb shit. Fuck out of here, like for real. What I'm saying right now comes straight from the heart. You piss me off, and I don't wanna chill with you no more. Yeah, you used to be that one, but no more. I will write those captions since you don't understand what I'm saying. Some people don't hear what I'm saying. They need caption. They need to read that shit. So I don't write shit most of the time. Come straight off the dome. Cause this brain is really intelligent. That's why last time they tried voodoo spells, that shit didn't last that long. Yes, cause I got my ancestor behind me, dog. I can talk about my life and make a documentary about that shit and still gonna make sales more than that cunt, that cunt who be selling that. We don't give a shit about that. Starting a show was my idea. Making it go a long way, it was my idea. And I still don't need no help from you, bitch. From you and you and you. Yeah, I make my own thing. I edit my own shit. Also, I make my own song. Make my own beats, bitch. But I got my niggas. Yeah, I got my niggas. My gang from day one. But not you. Not you. I always know that you a snake. You. Special you. Yeah, you know yourself. Skank. Fucking twat. You bitch and a half. She know herself. Echo is done shutting it down. Uzogcwala now.